This coin have a potential to go up to $500 very, very soon. And it has been traded on KuCoin and big exchanger, right? So I'm going to show you how you are going to be getting this coin for free. Yes, for free. Hi guys, Adeyemi Oluwaseyin here. So if you are new to my channel, I want to click on the subscription button, click on the notification button so that whenever I drop a great content like this, you are going to be one of those that people that YouTube notify that Adeyemi just dropped another bomb for you to discover new opportunity in town. All right, so this coin, its name is gaming. You can see the name of this coin is gaming, and this coin has been trading on big exchange like KuCoin, Uniswap, Coinbase, and like that. So now, guys, what I want to show you is how you are going to be getting this coin for free. Yes, you'll be getting this coin for free. And as I said earlier, this coin have a potential, have a very big potential to go, higher and higher. Why? Because it's a game, crypto, right? It's a game coin, and game coin used to go, to uh, even beyond our imaginations. Yes, it used to rise, and it's very cheap right now. It's still very cheap. Actually, you can do your own research as well on it. But what I want to do right here today is to show you how you are going to be getting this coin for free every blessed day. You'll be getting it for free every blessed day, and I want you to subscribe to my Telegram group below. Just go to description below. You see the first link there. Just click on it. Then you join my Telegram group. It's free. You're not paying to join my Telegram group. That is because there are so many things that I'll be sharing with you guys inside that group, different opportunities to share with you. So if you are new, as I said earlier, to this channel, maybe you are watching my video for the first time, this is Adeyemi Oluwaseyin, and this channel is always teaches you people how to discover new opportunity that we'll be making to make money online, either paid opportunity or free opportunity. But on today's video, we are going to show you the free opportunity to earn crypto, right? So I think my previous video, I have made some previous some videos before. I talked about Picoin, how you can mine Picoin, and the Picoin is also good. You need to do is just to come to my channel right here, Adeyemi Oluwaseyin. Then you go to videos, you can see Picoin, so you can just click on any and see different opportunities on my video. You can watch to make money for yourself. So that is if you are new to my channel, please, I want to click on subscription, help my ministry. All right, I want to go to like 10,000 subscribers, and this is just 1,700 subscribers. Okay, so and I promise you guys that I'm going to be dropping do a lot of research and drop different opportunity on this channel. All right, okay, so let's go to the business of the day. So back to this coin right here, gaming. So how you can do that, I'm going to drop a link on the description below this video. You can and I'm also going to drop a link that you can make use to join this trip in my Telegram group as well. So you can see this is an app. This app is just like a Icon app. All you need to do is just to click on the link on the description. The second link, you click on the second link on the description below, so this link will take you to the Play Store where you're going to install this app. Once you install this app, you can just log on with your Google Mail or your Facebook, and then you see this, then click on start mining. Immediately you see something mining like this. This is what I want you to see here, right here. As you can see, this thing says your cap mining, your mining cap is 10 limits, 10 Jimmy. Well, I don't understand that one, but what I want you to read here is you can mine 0.04 per hour. That is this coin per hour, and you can see, we see the remaining time for you when we are mining, I mean today, so today it will remain 23 hours for me to still mining, right? So you can see if you mine 0.04 multiply by 24, so that one will be giving you around one gaming coin. And remember, this is free, and I want you to see the future of this coin, not right now. It's still the value is still less now, but I telling you that this coin have a great future. It's going to become money. Imagine if you have 10 of it, if you have 30 of it, if you have 40 of it. So let me just use the calculator to see. Yeah, let's say we have opportunity. We have opportunity to mine per hour. We have to mine is it 0.04? Yeah, 0.04 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 24 hours, that is 0.96, and multiplied by, we have, because remember this coin is going to, the mining is going to end by October 28th, right here. Look at it, October, that is next month, October 28th. All right, so and let's say we have 20 days. So if you have 20 days multiplied by 20 days, so it's gonna be 19.2. So if you have 19.2, is it 19.2? Let's see. It's supposed to be this year. We still have about 30 days, right? So that is 0.04 multiplied by 24 hours, right? So that is 0.96 per day, then multiply by 30, so you're gonna have like 28.8. Imagine if this coin go to like $500 in future, so it's gonna be like, I mean, $500 per coin in future is gonna be like $14,400. And this coin have future, as I said earlier, all right, because it's a game coin. All right, so guys, I don't want you to joke with this. So all you need to do is just to go to my description below. First link, join my Telegram group. Then the second link, so when you join my Telegram group, you are going to see this link there, or you can also see click the second link on my description below. Click on the second link on my description below. Once you click on it, it will take you to App Store, where you're going to install this mining coin app. And if you have any issue with it, maybe you have a question, just go to the comment section below, ask your question. I will be available to answer all your question in details as you want it. All right, so guys, don't joke with this as well. Now this is another bomb, this is another bomb, this is another bomb. So just, you can also invite your friends. You can also invite your friend, like your Facebook, like your friends on Facebook, like your friends on WhatsApp, your family and friends. You can also tell them about this. Let them mine too. This is free. They are not paying a dime to mine this, and it does not even eat in data. You don't need data to do this. Once it has been installed on your phone, all you need to do is just to make sure that every day you are checking if it is mined, if it has not stopped. You don't need any data to mine. Once it's installed on your Android phone, that's all. Then you start mining immediately, guys. All right, so guys, so this is good one for you, and another opportunity that we just brought for you. And as I showed you, this is just a good coin, because I have promised you that I'm not just be bringing you any coin, anyhow coin, but the good one that we have value, good value in future. And as you can see that this coin, the current price right now is 0.1. It's very cheap. All right, and can see that has been trading on KuCoin. Let's see the other markets, see all the market where it has been trading. So can see it's loading, or no, there is no network. There's no network. So that's what I'm seeing, guys. There is no network in this place again right now. And also can see that this thing is still mining. As you can see, it's still mining. There is no network. You don't need any network. You are not spending a dime. Just get it installed on your phone, then you start mining immediately, right? But when you want to install it on your phone, you know definitely from App Store, you know definitely that you need you need network to install it. So what are the steps? So let me do the recap of the steps that you need after watching this video. Go to the description below. You can join. I will advise you to join my Telegram group. Then when you're going to join my Telegram group, you're going to see the link that you use to install this app there, or you click on the second link to install this app straight away. All right, you take it to App Store, then you install it straight away. All right, so then after that, enter. You can now log in with your Facebook or your Google Mail. Right, once you do that, then click on start mining. I cannot do that here right again because I've already done that before. So that is it, guys. And then after that, it start mining immediately, and you can also mining telling your friends. Okay, you can also boost your mining by telling your friends. Once your friend join through your link, you see your link as invite. If you click on, I think if you click on invite now, let me just scroll down. So let me just scroll down. Let me scroll down. So these are the news. These are the news about this coin. These are the news about this coin. So if you click on invite, so you can see your link. All you need to do is just to copy your link and share it with your friends or anybody that want to share it with. All right, so that is that guide about what I have for you right here tutorial. So that's will help you to earn more. It will help you to earn more. All right, so that's if you want to, if you tell your friends and family, it will help you to earn more. So you earn 20% on of more for every member of your team. All right, so guys, that is what I have for you. Okay, after mining, then what next? How am I going to withdraw this out? Yeah, it's going to be distributed to our what is it, the to our wallet. Let me click on this wallet. All right, so it's going to distribute. Can you see tokens will be transferred to your Arc wallet on October 20th next month. So you are going to send it to our wallet. You are going to receive it in your wallet. All you need to do, you can have KuCoin. If you have KuCoin account, then you can just go to KuCoin account, click on deposit on KuCoin account. When you take the wallet, you put it right here. So we do. I think that one we can say wallet unlock in full app. So. Uh, so when I think when it is time, it will be there will be a place where we're going to put our wallet. Then they transfer the token to the wallet. All right. So I think so on that there is no issue about that. This is a good coin. This is a legit coin. To my channel, please I want you to click on subscription button. Once again, thank you very much.